It feels good now. Look at the gate. Definitely Muslim style, you know. Oh, ticket here?
Ticket.
Is it the government or who? Private.
It's an official counter.
So everyone goes here? Oh, this is the only counter.
Everybody are buying ticket here.
Really?
Yes, on left side there's a entry only.
Hold on.
Hello.
We bought the Nepali ticket.
No, 745.
740.
शूज कवर एंड वाटर बॉटल फ्री।
Oh yeah?
अरे तुम्हारा बारकोड उधर लगा, बारकोड से करेंगे तो स्कैन और ऑफलाइन आपको वहाँ मिलेगा। और शूज कवर के लिए इधर आ जाना।
No. The shoes cover we have actually. Shoe cover? Yeah, we do.
You have shoe-
Yeah, 3, yes.
It's free.
Is it free here?
Yeah, you already water
Yeah.
bottle also.
Yeah, give the water.
Give me the ticket, madam. कि यहाँ पर काफ़ी लंबी लाइन लगी हुई है। आज ज़्यादा क्राउड है मौसम की वजह से, क्योंकि मौसम एकदम ठंडा हुआ ना, कल बारिश हुआ है तो बहुत लंबा लाइन है आउटसाइड एंड इनसाइड। तो ये आपकी चॉइस है। आप लोग, आपका टिकट जो है ना केवल 3 घंटे वैलिड है और 3 घंटे से ज़्यादा आप अंदर नहीं रह सकते। तो आधा से ज़्यादा आपका जो वक्त ख़राब हो जाता है वो लाइन के अंदर ख़राब हो जाता है, जिससे कि आपको कम समय मिल पाता है और फिर पूरा टाइम में आप लोग कवर नहीं।
If you don't mind.
I mean, I don't want to drop the laptop over there. I just want to carry with myself actually.
Actually inside not
But they
allowed.
will not allow. If you want
That's
to
the
check,
problem.
you can see practically over there when you take entry.
I'll stay outside and then I'll have them go inside.
Sorry?
I'll wait for the laptop outside when they go in.
Check, you can
Yeah,
see.
let's go.
In entry, no problem.
Come on, guys. Yeah, you guys can go inside. I'll stay outside, you know. Yeah.
मैं जितनी करता हूँ मैं गोली दे दो अरे काम करो
ठीक है सर, राम्रो हो।
Do you have ID? Your Nepal ID?
Yeah.
Because when you take entry, they will confirm during
Yeah.
entry.
Yeah.
मैं नहीं दे रहा हूँ, वही जा रहा हूँ।
Yeah, when you come out to see our shop, if you want something, but
I'm good actually right now. I'm going to go inside first.
not now, maybe later.
Yeah, maybe later. Yeah, we see. Yeah.
Remember,
Yeah.
like, okay?
यो दिनुपर्छ अरे अहिले बोकेर आयो दुइटै Oh, monkey. That's cute. Oh, yes. Look at this one here. Look at the other one. Yeah, if you really want to see more of those, I'll take you to, you know, the nearby city. That's called Dharan, and they have like so many monkeys actually taking over the city. They are all over the house. You can't chase them. Receipt पनि दिनुपर्छ अरे, त्यो पनि दिनुपर्छ अरे। त्यो दुईजनाको पर्दैछ क्या, पैसा बाँड्नुपर्छ भनेर उहाँ।
technician number. So he's coming first.
My
He'll
name-
come with you. He will explain each and everything.
No.
I will also downline.
Hold on. Let's hurry up. We don't want to do anything else. Let's hurry up. I'm following you, okay?
Okay, you can follow me.
Yeah.
Come.
I'm following him, right?
Without line, if you don't mind, I will take
Hey,
quickly.
listen up.
1.5 hour.
I don't like any asshole. I just want to follow him because he explained me everything. I'm gonna go with him.
But
Please,
no,
please
this is
don't distract us. Don't disturb us. You know? Yeah, please, yeah. Please. We want some good times, okay? Water too?
No, only back. चल हमारे पास एक रह गया था.
Taj Mahal.
The backside?
Taj Mahal. Is this the back side? I don't know. Probably he's gonna say something. तर चेक जाँच चाहिँ यस्तो झ्याउ रहेछ ताजमहल आउँदा आउनु अब टाढोबाट आउने मान्छेहरू नजिकमा होटल भएको सामान तामान राखेर आउने
So, so first of all, welcome inside Taj Mahal, sir,
Sorry,
and
thank
ma'am.
you.
Myself, Irshad. So first I will explain you about this area.
है
So now we are standing in this area. This is fourth area of Taj Mahal.
Right.
Four court. It's called courtyard.
Uh-huh.
Four gardens are here.
Uh-huh.
Four gates.
Uh-huh.
We enter from east side.
है
There
this
is
is
east
east
gate.
side.
Yeah, this
Right.
is east gate. There is west gate. This is south gate. This is north gate. But this is main entry of Taj Mahal.
Okay.
It's called really Royal Gate.
Royal Gate.
Yes. Speciality of this gate, this is same from both side. Front and behind.
है
Height of this gate 105 feet, about 35 meter. And see on this gate small white domes. Can you
I see.
count how many those are domes?
1
on
2
front
3
side?
4 5 6
Small white
7
one.
8 9 10 11 12
No,
2
11.
3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
Tegano.
okay
11 on front, 11 on behind.
Ah.
11 plus 11 total 22.
Right.
22 domes mean 22 years.
Oh.
Everything including Taj Mahal was complete in
Wow.
22 years.
Wow.
That's why I put it over there 22 domes. And 20,000 workers worked inside Taj
Wow.
Mahal. Those workers who built the Taj Mahal, they used to live backside of South.
Oh, this building right
Yes.
here.
And even now.
Oh wow.
Same family member they are living over there.
Do they get to live free?
Yes.
Nice.
They are living over there generation wise.
Right.
This building was started in 1631
Right.
and this building was completed in 1653.
Nice.
And this is old 371 years.
Wow.
And that time there were no facility, any hotel, resort, guest house. So in this area you can see the small rooms.
I see.
These are total 210 rooms.
Right.
105 here, 105 over there.
Nice.
Give me the phone. I take the picture first with this beautiful gate.
Right, Bogasa. So, alright, hold on.
This is the east gate.
Do you need a picture?
This
Yeah,
side
but
is the
it's
east gate.
Okay, let's
So there's the east.
That is the
Alright,
north
east gate here. Alright.
That is south gate. There's a
take
west
us
gate.
one picture from here and then you can explain us and we
Yes,
can
yes,
walk.
of course. Wait.
Let's not do this. Let's go directly to the main one.
Yes, we are going to directly in the main one. No problem.
No.
Okay.
We want to go out of here quick. We want to go in there. We want to see that because that's what we came for. So I appreciate though.
No,
Yeah.
listen. Every day I go from there.
Right.
We can take from there.
Right.
From
Don't
same way.
It's the same thing. Don't worry. It's a little bit longer.
But there are many people. That's fine.
Yeah, no, because you have that capability of taking us inside quicker, so that's what we need.
I
And
want to take a shortcut.
yeah.
साहब गार्डन में से हट जाओ बुला रहे हैं बताया मना कर रहे हो
Who? Are what?
देखते देखने वाले.
Oh, exactly. This is the yeah. No, she was talking about the guy
Sir,
who looks like
if
him.
you want to take some professional.
No, we're good.
photos
We're
by
good.
then,
We're good. We're good. Don't worry.
These are professional.
I have the vlog here. I'm making vlog for my family, so don't worry. Look at this.
I know. But those are professionals. Sir.
I see.
They have a professional camera.
I see.
So they know very well about the angles and
Yeah.
the poses.
Mm.
Like this. See, crowd less. You are only
नहीं
Taj
नहीं
Mahal.
नहीं नहीं चाहिए.
We don't worry, don't worry. We just want to see the big one. No, don't worry. We good. Don't worry.
But be careful, okay?
It's
Because
very
many
hot,
people
so
are
we
here.
want to go in there, see that. That's it.
Be careful, many people are here, okay?
Yeah,
Keep safe your mobile, everything.
it's all safe.
And look at this. This is Arabic language. This is
Oh,
a
yeah.
chapter of Quran.
Chapter of Quran. Yes. Because it was built by the Mughal Empire, so
Mughal was
yeah,
Muslim.
Muslim, yeah.
Where's any line?
There's no line. He's the main guy here taking us quick, you know.
This way.
That works like that.
Just follow me.
Where you going? My friend.
I'll give your phone and take your one more photo from this way.
I think you guys want to take a picture from me? Probably, yeah. It looks good from here.
After this,
Yeah.
after taking pictures, I take a shortcut. The way directly Taj Mahal.
Nice.
Okay?
Yeah.
Nani, come on.
Go together. Go
Yeah, mom, daughter first. Yeah, yeah. Let them go first. गाइडले के गरिरहेछ के गरिरहेछ भनेर साध्यै छैन.
on a bench.
गाइड 1000 मा गाइड ल्याएको छ के भन्छ के लगाउँछ है. बडो रमाइलो भइरहेछ. हो झिकिदियो भयो यसलाई.
You like this? Do you know about this pose? This is Dino pose. Just hold the cap.
Like this. Yes. Go keep going, Nani.
Look there. Perfect.
Turn your head that way.
Pick out the cap.
सोभियालाई यार.
Make a same pose. One hand.
Oh, yes.
Little down. Yeah, I know it's so hard. Come here.
Hey, good.
Okay, together.
We good.
Ah,
We good. Don't worry.
this is not. Take a one photo.
Hi, whole family here. Come on.
Take out all. Akbar time.
Akbar.
Akbar time. So that time it came from Fatehpur Sikri, but now it's coming from Udaipur.
Udaipur.
Yes. And
So
the
Udaipur
Makrana-
is in Bihar.
Sorry?
Where is the Udaipur? Is it in
Udaipur
Bihar?
in Rajasthan, sir.
Oh, Rajasthan.
And the Makrana marble also coming from same place, Makrana,
Oh, okay.
from Rajasthan.
There is Udaipur in Nepal also.
In Nepal also?
Yeah, we do have. Fatehpur also.
Fatehpur sir.
Yeah,
Oh,
Fatehpur is in Bihar also. So I think similar names in similar places. I mean, a lot of places. So
But places are different.
oh, yeah, places are different. Yes, names are similar. I think that's normal. Yeah.
Look at on left side, this is Naubat Khana building.
Uh-huh.
Naubat Khana. So like this you can see there.
Ah, yeah.
Both sides, both are Naubat Khana. Naubat Khana mean music gallery.
Yeah.
So worker,
Hmm.
they used to play music.
Hmm.
When Shah Jahan, the VIP person, they used to take entry.
Mm-hmm.
During entry,
Mm-hmm.
people used to play music,
Oh, okay.
drums,
Mm-hmm.
both sides. That is Royal Guest House
Hmm.
for
Wow.
for VVIP person.
Right.
You remember I explained you about the rooms outside
Oh, yes.
in a forecourt area.
That's right.
There only local people used to stay,
Hmm.
and in this only VIP person.
By then.
That time.
Yeah.
And same like that, you can see on left side is the mosque. Every Friday Taj Mahal is closed
Oh.
because Muslim people comes here and they offer namaz.
Wow. That's interesting. That is very interesting point actually.
And Taj Mahal timing is sunrise to sunset. Before 15 minutes from sunrise it's open. Before 30 minutes from sunset it's closed.
Okay.
Only Friday this is closed for visitor.
Right.
But Muslim people they comes here, they offer namaz here in this
Okay.
building.
That
This
building.
is mosque. Same like that. There is a royal guest house. This is mosque.
Okay.
So you remember outside I explained you everything complete in 22 years.
Yes,
But main
that's what
building
you said.
Taj Mahal complete in 17 years and other areas complete in 5 years. 17 plus 5 total 22 years.
That's right.
And Taj Mahal building first of all complete by bricks.
Okay.
Roman bricks.
Okay.
After that applied the Makrana marble. Makrana is
So the marble was brought from where? Iran?
No, Makrana, Rajasthan.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
And there are a lot of people here. So
Total height of Taj Mahal 243 feet, about 74 meter, and wide is 313 feet, about 90 meter.
So what is that? What is that?
What?
So to go in
Yeah, we go.
this way?
Yes.
So there is more ticket to be bought?
They confirm just ticket.
Oh, confirm the ticket.
200 extra one.
200 extra for what?
You already purchased.
Right. So
For
everyone.
SAR country,
So going
for
inside
SAR
the building,
country,
you have
two kind
to.
of price. For SAR country, two kind of price. 540, 740. 540 only for outside, 740 outside and inside total.
I see.
So you already purchased as
Oh, interesting, interesting.
ये भी तो जबरदस्ती दिख रहा था मेरे को
अरे यहाँ चाहिँ मुसलमानहरूले शुक्रबार प्रार्थना गर्छ अरे त्यो भएर शुक्रबार चाहिँ बन्द हुँदो रहेछ ताजमहल भन्ने कुरा यो चाहिँ बडो इन्ट्रेस्टिङ कुरा आयो शुक्रबार आज भयो हेर्न पाइने रहेछ एउटा के फोटो खिच्छौ सोफियालाई आज गाइडले आज के गर्न लगाएर बडा गजब बडा गजब हो
How many shoes cover you have?
3 yeah. You don't need it for yourself.
Of course, sir.
You need them.
You can find over there.
ले
Okay, this building designed by Ustad Ahmad Lahori, who came from Turkestan.
This one.
Yeah,
Alright.
main engineer of Taj Mahal. So Ustad Ahmad Lahori was a very smart engineer. So he taught about earthquake already.
Wow.
Even set the Taj.
That's super important. यसरी बनाएको रहेछ भन्ने कुरा आयो कि यो भूकम्प आएर भत्कियो भने यो बाहिर भत्किन्छ भित्र भत्किँदैन त्यस प्रकारले बनाएको रहेछ
ये नहीं चलेगा, कौन सा वाला है?
किट्टा निकाल है
फिर टिकट भाई करना है
पैसा किन्ने होइन कि देखाउनु मात्रै पर्छ अरे अघि किनेको छ अरे एडा तिमी हेर Whoa! Look at that. That's so beautiful. Alright, there's a shortcut. There's a shortcut for us. Okay. गर्मीले केटाकेटी भिजिसक्यो बुढापाका त नआउने नै रहेछ यहाँ गर्मीमा बा
Nani, you have to use the cover so we can go inside.
ए जुत्ता जुत्ता लाङ त मलाई पनि दिङ त जुत्तो लगाउनु पर्यो रे भित्र जानको लागि मार्बलमा चाहिँ नि चोट लाग्छ भनेर होला भन्ने कुरा आयो अनुमान गरे है
Nani, you can sit on the edge.
ओके like that okay nice I see you have the special shoes
No, this is
for you guys
Chacha,
actually
भैया एक लाल वाला ले वाला ना
no I'm good look oh that's broken right.
गाइड को यहाँ मिलता है.
Look, it looks beautiful from here. Probably when we go back, we should take a picture from there, right? From the center somewhere.
चाचा इसमें से एक मैं दे दूँ पहले.
It is so big.
Nani, your picture was so good. But only the thing is your mouth. This is cute.
Yeah,
Wow.
he knows it. Queen Victoria, Elizabeth.
This
right. Take off my glasses.
Come.
Alright. गाइडलाई 1000 पर्दो रहेछ है so you pay $1000 for your guide in case you are coming here for the first time. Different guides has different price so and this is huh? Turn it off?
Yeah.
They don't allow?
They are not allowed.
Alright, so back to the camera now. Back to the video. भित्र चाहिँ फोटो भिडियो के भी खिच्न पाइँदो रहेछ त्यहाँ भित्र चाहिँ बडो महत्त्वपूर्ण कुरा चाहिँ के रहेछ भने राजा रानीको के भन्छ उयो रहेछ हो के भन्छ त्यसलाई कपुर मुसलमान राजा रानी कपुर रहेछ उसको श्रीमतीको नाममा यो बनायो उसले त्यस पछाडि चाहिँ उसको मृत्यु भएपछि उसलाई पनि त्यहीँ राखेको रहेछ बडा गजब
Came from Yemen.
अरू भन्दा नि यो
All
चाहिँ
stone are came from same country, same places. But in full moon time, visitors are not allowed inside. In full moon time, visitors are allowed up to main entry gate.
so they can see from there.
There are limit. Only 450 people.
Look at that. Did you hear about that? It's tilted that side so that in case there is some kind of, natural calamity, whatever, it goes the other side. That's interesting.
In full moon time,
Yamuna Nadi.
comes here only 450.
यमुना नदीको खूब कुरा सुनिन्थ्यो यहाँ रहेछ यमुना नदी अहिले
And timing is
त्यस्तो चाहिँ
night
चराचुरुङ्गी
8 o'clock to 12 o'clock. And there are around 10 to 11 slots. In one slot there are 50 people.
So we can
Slot by slot people they see the Taj Mahal. That is Agra Gate Fort. Look at that.
Oh,
Yeah.
That is Agra Gate Fort.
I see.
So Shahjahan was
How about this
born
one
from here. And this is Mahataba Taj Viewpoint.
Viewpoint?
Yes, Taj Viewpoint.
Viewpoint, right.
Viewpoint. This is Yamuna River.
Right. Oh, so they see in the water. I
People,
see.
when they go there, when they take the videos and the
Photos.
taking pictures,
Right.
they take reflection
I see.
here and there also. You just stay here. Taj Mahal comes also in the water.
Right.
Now I will show you 3D. Come. 3D. How good, yeah? Only dimension.
जमुना की जूना पानी में गंदा पानी चल रहा है, गंगा जमुना सब कुछ इलाहाबाद राजधानी पर अपने इंडिया का हमारा इंडिया का
22 years, 20,000 worker, Ustad Ahmad Lahori, engineer, is starting year 1631 and 1653, and old is 371 years.
The age of the Taj Mahal, 371 years. All right. यहाँ चाहिँ भिआइपीहरू राख्थ्यो अरे ऊ बेलामा, भिभिआइपी.
So you already seen this time 3D, this time 3D, 3D movie, 3D game, 3D TV, but now I will show you that time 3D dimension. Come here. Come close. Look at this pillar. It has total 3 sides. 1, 2, 3, and all sides are flat.
Yeah, flat.
No cut inside,
Yeah.
right? This pillar made in same side here to there. Okay, see the beautiful design, zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. Here I'm showing just 3 sides of this pillar and the zigzag design. That's it. Please come back. Leave it. Stand here. Turn around. Now look. Bottom to top. See. Now it's looking some curve. In, out, in, out, in, out.
Did you see 3D?
Yes.
You've seen before just 3. From here you are seeing just 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a 3D dimension.
71.
71 years ago.
So when was the marble added on top of the bricks actually? When was the marble added here? So there was no marble at the beginning, you said, right?
What you see, if I talk about the Taj Mahal, Taj Mahal till now never recover or repair.
Alright. So that means they put this
The
from the beginning.
workers, they clean only. But if I talk about the red sandstone,
Right.
almost done. Change and repair everything. Because marble life is around 300, 400 years.
Oh, okay.
Marble is an unbreakable stone. Marble is life very long. And marble does not absorb any liquid.
Okay.
And marbles are too much calcium stored.
Right.
When you rough,
Right.
doesn't matter how much you rough the marble. Doesn't matter. Marble will be too much slippery and will be too much soft.
Yeah. Alright, so next we're gonna go down, take some pictures from there. We are out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we take exit.
Yeah.
But now weather is good, sir.
It's good, but we have to go back.
You're
We
getting
have some
late.
other work here.
Where you go?
Going back to the airport.
Fort.
Airport.
Airport.
Yeah. Delhi. Yeah, Delhi airport. It's
What's
a
the
long
flight-
way. It's 3
what's the
hours
flight
from
time?
here. So flight time is tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Why you are going back?
Yeah, we will go to
now?
the Lotus Temple too.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why.
So you spend your time in the lots of Lotus Temple.
Yeah. Lotus Temple like maybe 1 hour. Yeah. Why no marble here?
Here is marble, sir.
No, here on the floor. On the steps.
Under this.
Yeah.
Under this the marble.
All right, just asking. All right, let's go.
Marble is this stone. So what is covered
Right.
on the marble steps. So people when they go up, during stepping up, they will not slip.
Yeah, that's right.
That's how what is covered. You can
Yeah.
put the your shoes covered in there.
Thank you. All right, let's get out of here. Which way? This way.
So people are using
Super
cover for their shoes. Why? Because of dust. Do you know, worker, same generation of family, same generation of labor, when they clean the Taj Mahal, so what kind of item they use for the cleaning? Mud, multani mud. 3-4 days they applied the mud. After that they remove. Then they rub the mud.
Wow. So where is the mud coming from? Is it from around here or very skinny? Skinny dog.
अरे सर सर अरे सर बिना टिकट के आगे अंदर टिकट है क्या
ठीक है lifetime.
So still now, same family of labor, they are working as a government order. They clean the Taj Mahal. And as a government order, they are making small souvenir also. But without any machine, they are working same kind of work.
Wow.
They are not using any machine.
Right.
They are using same technique.
I see.
Chisel, hammer, grinder, hand grinder, and special glue
Right.
for making that. So as a government order, they are making small souvenir. From there we can take, ma'am. There. So as a government order, they are making small souvenir like a small Taj Mahal, tea coaster, photo frame, jewelry box, and the statue of God, elephant, camel. So many beautiful items they are making for decorate.
I see.
When you come here, like I'm talking about all guests, all tourists, first of all, they plan the Taj Mahal, like you plan first Taj Mahal. So tourists, they plan first of all Taj Mahal. After visit the Taj Mahal, they think about the souvenir also. So when they go back in their house, for their house, so they buy small souvenir also.
Are they selling inside or outside over
Yes,
there?
yes.
So are they
But
expensive?
in their labor shop.
Oh. Super hungry, man. So hungry. So hungry.
Switch here.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
That's very good for me. ताजमहल घुमियो हिँड्यो भाग्यो यहाँबाट गर्मी अति भयो
Shall we move?
Yeah, let's go home. Super hot.